Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from the day view to weekly or even month view in your Google Calendar. So this is very easy. So if you're currently using Google Calendar, whether on your phone or your computer, as you can see I'm on my PC, if you want to have a quick overview of the week or for the month, it's very easy. If you look towards the upper right hand side, you will see this button that says day. It's a drop down. If you click in that, you can switch this to the week view and you will see your entire week. You can also switch that to month view as well, and you'll see the entire month. Guess what? You even have the entire year, so you can click in year and it will show you entire year calendar. Right, so this is how you can quickly go ahead and switch between your day, your week, your month, your year view on Google Calendar. You also have something called schedule and 4 days as well. You can try out these as well. So for the schedule, you can see all your schedule that you have there, and for the 4 days you can see, oh, let me see how my next 4 days look like, and something like that. So that's it guys, very easy and very simple.